Hi and welcome back. This was the first coding exercise in the course, and I've made it reasonably simple, I hope. The instructions are twofold. First, create two variables, which must be called var1 and var2, and they both have to have the same value. And the second part of the exercise is to create two variables called num1 and num2 that multiply together to give 16. So these two must be numbers. Okay, so how do we create variables? Well, we've looked at this just now, and we know that to create a variable, we have to type the name, equals, and the value. So to create these two variables, var1 and var2, we're just going to do var1 equals, and then we can put anything we want, such as hi, the string hi, and var2, which must have the same value. So it also equals hi. So that would be the first part of the exercise done. Now, the second part, we have to create two variables, num1 and num2, that multiply together to give 16. So num1 is going to be 4, num2 is going to be what? 4, 2. So 4 by 4 is 16. And then we can press the green button, check solution, and that should give us that all is good. And indeed, it says, well done, your solution's correct. So hopefully this makes sense. And this is the first coding exercise. Instead of num1 being 4 and num2 being 4, you could do 8 and 2, for example. And var1 and var2 can have the same value. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be anything as long as it's naturally valid Python. So that's everything for this video. I'll see you on the next one.